Hey YouTubers, just getting this rough country strut leveling strut from my 2016 Ram 1500 4x4. It's about time, man. I've been looking all over YouTube and saw the horror stories about those spacers, man. The spacers are no good, mess up your truck. I don't know why people still use them. So I'm getting this strut. They cost a little bit more, like three something, 340, 350 on Amazon. And thanks to AJ, another YouTuber, AJ Arturi. He's the one who let me get this thing here, man. This is the way to go. I don't know why people still using those spacers. Those mess up your vehicle. So I'm here at the auto store. I'm not gonna do this myself. Perhaps professional people do it. I haven't got no tools or nothing, so I'm gonna love this. And this the way it look in these trucks, it look really nice. So for sure, I'm gonna enjoy my stuff here. So I just wait and see. I'll show some after, before and after video in another video or something. Just can't wait to get this on there. See what happens. See how it looks. So let's see what happened here, dude.